Albert Einstein, 1879–1955, was a German-born physicist and Nobel Prize winner, widely regarded as one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. His pioneering theories on relativity, spacetime, mass-energy equivalence, and the quantum theory revolutionized science and paved the way for modern physics. Biography. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Württemberg, Germany. His parents, Hermann and Pauline Einstein, were Jewish and non-observant. He attended a Catholic elementary school and later the Luitpold Gymnasium. At an early age, Einstein showed an aptitude for mathematics and physics, but he was far from a model student. By the time he was 15, he had dropped out of school and was living in Milan, Italy. Education. Einstein finally returned to school, and in 1896 he enrolled at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, where he studied mathematics and physics. He graduated in 1900 with a diploma in electrical engineering, and then worked as a patent clerk in Bern. During this time, he wrote several papers on theoretical physics, which were published in a German physics journal. Theory of relativity. In 1905, Einstein developed his special theory of relativity, which proposed that the speed of light was a constant, regardless of the observer's motion. He also proposed that mass and energy were equivalent and could be converted into each other, a concept now known as the famous equation E=mc². Nobel Prize. In 1921, Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, a phenomenon in which light is converted into electrical energy. Political activism. Einstein was a vocal critic of the Nazi regime and was actively involved in the pacifist movement. He was also a strong advocate for the peaceful use of nuclear energy, and he wrote a letter to President Franklin Roosevelt in 1939 urging the United States to develop an atomic bomb before Nazi Germany. Scientific contributions. Throughout his career, Einstein made many other important contributions to the field of physics, including the development of the general theory of relativity and the formulation of the Bose–Einstein statistics. He also made important contributions to the development of quantum mechanics and cosmology. Legacy. Einstein's influence extends beyond the world of science. He is widely regarded as one of the most brilliant minds of the 20th century, and his ideas have shaped modern thought. His famous equation E=mc² is a powerful reminder of the incredible power of science and the potential of the human mind. Popular quotes. Einstein was known for his witty and philosophical observations on life. Some of his most famous quotes include, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. The important thing is not to stop questioning," and "The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it." Personal life. Einstein married his first wife, Mileva Maric, in 1903 and had 2 children with her. The couple divorced in 1919 and Einstein married his second wife, Elsa Lowenthal, the same year. He had 2 stepchildren with her. Historical context. Einstein's life and work are inextricably linked with the turbulent history of the 20th century. He was born at a time of great upheaval in Europe, and his work on relativity was shaped by the events of World War I in the 1930s. He fled Nazi Germany and eventually settled in the United States, where his work on the atomic bomb helped to end World War II. Facts. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Württemberg, Germany. In 1896, Albert Einstein entered the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, Switzerland to earn a diploma in teaching mathematics and physics. He was 17 years old. Einstein received his federal teaching diploma in 1900. His birthday, March 14, 3/14, is often celebrated as Pi Day, because it bears the first three digits of the mathematical constant pi. Throughout his life, Albert Einstein published upwards of 300 scientific papers and 150 non-scientific works. Einstein never took a formal IQ test, and so his actual IQ still remains a topic of speculation. Albert Einstein was his full name; he did not have a middle name. He grew up in a secular Jewish household. Einstein had a profound influence on modern physics. His father was Hermann Einstein, and his mother was Pauline Koch. Einstein's works contributed to breakthroughs in nuclear energy, electromagnetism, and quantum mechanics. Albert Einstein was an agnostic, not an atheist. He also didn't believe in an afterlife, stating that one life was enough for him. The Nazis rejected his theory of relativity and dismissed it as Jewish science. Einstein loved taking long, daily walks outside. His ultimate goal was to discover a unified field theory that can describe all the fundamental particles and forces in a single model. He wrote an obituary for Emmy Noether saying she was a brilliant mathematician whose works were often overlooked just because she was a woman. In 2015, scientists detected and confirmed the existence of gravitational waves. This was nearly 100 years after Einstein predicted them. He took great interest in philosophy at only 13 years of age, and he favored Immanuel Kant's works. Despite not having any part in its discovery, Albert Einstein inspired the name for Einsteinium, the 99th element in the periodic table. Isaac Newton, James Clerk Maxwell, Arthur Schopenhauer, and David Hume are among Albert Einstein's influences. Dear viewers, we have tried our best to provide you an informative video. Please comment that how did you find this video, because your opinion and comments are very important to us. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel so that you may be updated for our every informative video. Take care of your good self.